What's up guys, welcome to ABAUTO. Mercedes Benz have now officially opened up the new C43 for order here in the UK. So I thought it'd be fun to load up the car configurator and build a C43 together. We're going to look through all the options, the new price, and I'm going to give you my thoughts as an owner of the previous generation. So if we click here on the AMG section on the configurator, we can see there are two options. The Premium, which costs 67k, and the Premium Plus for 71k. Back in 2016, the C43 Saloon was priced from 44 to 47k, based on options and spec levels. Then in 2019, there was a facelift where the price jumped to 50 to 55k based on options. Now we have a price of 67 to 71k, and that's just the starting price. We haven't even added, say, the cost of metallic paint. That is an absolutely huge price jump. I can't believe the starting price is so high for the new C43. It really makes me wonder just how expensive the new C63 is going to be. For the new C63, we could easily now be looking at the 100k mark with options. I'm really interested to see how AMG are going to justify this price without the V8. I mean, it's now got the same engine as the C43. Now, of course, it's definitely going to be much faster than the C43 and the previous C63 because it's got an additional 200 horsepower electric motor. But for me, and I think most of you guys, you can't beat that V8 charm. I think this huge price increase is a combination of inflation, and also it now features a more premium hand-built AMG engine. Anyway, let's dive in and build our C43. So what is the difference between these two trim levels? The Premium comes with the parking package with the 360-degree camera, Premium MBUX navigation. Now, I'm not really sure why this is listed here because I've checked, and no matter which C-Class you spec, you can't have it without the Premium sat-nav, so really this should just be listed as a standard feature. Then we have blind spot assist, then we've got memory seats, and then we have driver display. And again, like before, this is actually the digital cockpit, and I don't think you can get the new C-Class with analog dials. I think it has to have the digital cockpit, so I don't know why it's listed here and it's not just listed as a standard feature. Then we have keyless go. This is where the car detects your key in your pocket and it unlocks the door as you touch it. Then we've got ambient lighting. Now, ambient lighting is stunning in all new Mercedes Benz models. Some people think it's a bit over the top, but I absolutely love it. Lastly is augmented reality navigation. Now, it's great to see this is returning. During the pandemic, this feature got cut from all Mercedes Benz cars, so it's so nice to see it's back. It's a really cool system where a camera displays a live feed in the center screen, and then you get all the sat-nav directions on the actual road. It's very high tech and very cool. The Premium Plus comes with everything on the Premium, but with these extras. First, we have the digital light. These are the new performance headlights, which are better than ever. Mercedes-Benz have taken these to another level. They're some of the brightest lights on the road, and they have an incredibly sophisticated system to prevent you from blinding other drivers. Then we have usual stuff like the panoramic sunroof, and then we've got heads-up display. Mercedes-Benz always make great heads-up displays. It's so nice to see this included. Then we have additional climate control. This car comes standard with climate control as you'd expect, but this gives you 4 zones, so even passengers in the back can set their own temperatures. And lastly, we have the Burmeister sound system. Now, I love all the sound of all these extras in the Premium Plus, so let's go for the Premium Plus. Here now we have a bit on the additional AMG styling. For the AMG body styling, we get this aggressive front grille, side skirts, this rear diffuser with the awesome quad pipes, and then we've got this little boot lip spoiler. Now onto colours. I can see here we've got a lot of the same colours from the previous generation. It's mostly greys and silvers, it's a bit boring. Let's see if we can find brilliant blue. I absolutely love this colour on my older C43. It seems to be replaced by spectral blue. This actually looks really nice. It seems to be more of a vibrant blue than a brilliant blue. I used to find with brilliant blue that under sunlight it had more of a darkish, sometimes purple tint. Then under sunlight you'd get this really strong light blue. That was one of the reasons why I love the colour, because it just changed so much under different lights. But this one here seems to be much more of a vibrant blue. But hey, after buying my CLA45s, I am now absolutely in love with the matte colours. So let's go for the matte grey Magno. Looks like we don't have any options here for wheels, but I do really like how these wheels look. It's great we're now getting 20s on the C43. These are going to be much bigger than the 19s, and it's going to give the car a much meaner look. If we go to interior now, we have the lovely new C-Class interior. In upholstery here, we have 3 options for seats. We've got the simple black leather with red stitching, a nice brown and black combo here, then this sporty red and black combo which looks really nice. I love the high contrast between the 2 colours. It really adds another level and layer to the seats. So I'm going to go for this one. In seats here, I was really hoping we'd get an option for the AMG performance seats, but it looks like we can't get them in the UK. That's so disappointing because I absolutely love the AMG seats. We really should be getting them for this price if you compare it to the CLA45s, for example. For trims, we only have one option, but it's carbon fibre, so I'm all in. Although it does look like the centre console area is still gloss black, which, as you probably know, is a nightmare for scratches and fingerprints. So here in packages, it just tells us what we're getting from the Premium Plus pack, and we've already ran through those. So I guess now it's time to look at the finished build. I've got to say, I love the look of the car here in the 3D render, although the configurator never quite does the matte paint justice. Just look at how incredible the paint here looks on my CLA45s. I have no doubts that the C43 is going to look absolutely stunning in this colour. One thing I did notice though is there's no option yet for the night package. This would make all the chrome trim gloss black. This is always a great way to make your car look more sporty and aggressive, so it's a shame we don't have it here on the AMG model. I'm sure it will come in the future. So guys, there we have it. That is the new C43 on the configurator. I'd love to hear what you guys think about the car. What do you guys think about the new C43? I personally am really excited about all the new tech and features, but I'm still shocked by the insane price. Our build here comes out at just under 73k, which is absolutely insane for a C43, especially when you compare it to the price of the older model. I am honestly terrified to see how much the new C63 is going to cost. Now, I haven't actually driven the new C43 yet, but as soon as I can, I'm going to be picking one up to review for you guys and make some epic content. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was just a bit of fun really. I really wanted to build the car, but it was actually really nice to go through all the features and just show you guys how you can currently spec these cars in the UK. Post a comment below and let me know what you think about the new C43. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.